Harvey, what are we gonna do?
The dinosaur.
Awesome!
Okay, I think we should use all of our pieces tonight.
Yeah, let's use.
All of our new ones and ones.
We got some old ones and the ones we painted. Yeah, let's do it all. You ready, Harvey?
Come on.
Harvey's already started. Harvey, what are you working on?
That's why.
Oh man, that's an awesome straight piece. Harvey, is that the new piece we got? All right, you gonna put it there? Awesome, that's a cool sound it makes. It started to take shape, but it's a little still messy. Everybody's hard at work. It's starting to make shape. All done. Wow, look at this track. So many awesome things. It even goes into the other room. What? It all connects together. Oh, Harvey's train's following Mommy's train. Woo! Uh-oh, but Daddy has Percy's train. There goes Percy. Percy's going around. Did Percy make it down the hill? Whoa! Percy did it. Oh no, Harvey, here comes Percy. Oh, did Thomas wreck? Oh dear. See you later. Oh no, Percy wrecked. Oh, Percy can't make it out of the tunnel very well. Visiting the Dragon Cave. Mama's playing at the Christmas tourney table. Going by the school. We got all these different buildings at Michael's. They're actually birdhouses that Cassie painted. Got the fire station, the police station, the house with a dinosaur and a horse on it. Oh, pretty cool. We got a cool little station here too. And we got tunnels. And we got this cool lighthouse. And we got the mountain. And all these different elevated pieces. Harvey, what do you think about this track? Oh, you got a lot to say. I see. Daddy's favorite piece is Percy. So Percy make the right turn. I also like these cool elevated pieces, but I don't think Percy can make it. Oh, there you go, Percy. Oh, there's a dragon on the castle. Oh, Percy's stuck again. Oh, let's see if we can get up to the double elevated piece. Harvey, what are you doing? You eating a grape? Oh, man. Go, Percy. Percy's heading down. And through a cool, awesome station. Percy, you're supposed to stop and pick people up. Uh-oh, we're missing the turntable. Crash! Oh no, Mom's stuck at construction. Go, Mom. Oh, she's going this way. Hey, look, it's Harvey Crane. What is he working on? Hey, Mom is visiting the castle. Watch out for the dragon. Oh, man. Percy's continuing on exploring our track under the mountain. Let's see if he makes it through okay. Yes, he does. He's out the other side. Watch out for Harvey's feet. Oh, dear. Oh, Mommy's train derailed. Oh my God. Oh, Thomas is having a hard time staying on the track. You lost Annie and Clarabelle. Quick, pick them up. Oh no, Percy got stopped. Quick, start her. That's our cool town hall building. Oh, Percy crashed. Quick, Daddy saved her. Go, Percy. James crashed too? Percy always needs a lot of help on this track. I guess we didn't make it very Percy friendly, did we? Go down the hill. Now we're going to try to see if we can take Percy into the other room. Percy's going to the long highway. He's leaving the big city. Goodbye, big city. Rather along the zigzaggy track. Hey, look, it's almost like Polar Express there, except it's just a cool car. Can you make it, Percy? To the Playroom Town. Oh, Percy derailed. Poor Percy. Oh, good. Percy's back on the track. Now he's in the Playroom Town. Headed up Playroom Mountain. Oh, no, Percy needs just a little bit of help. There you go, Percy. Oh, there he goes. Got old Pepper Peep chugging along here. Oh, there's Percy off the rails again. Oh no, here comes James. He's coming to rescue Percy. Come on, James. You can do it. Oh, James is stuck. Well, let's see if we can fix James real quick. Oh, yeah. Oh, James derailed too. Go, James. You can do it, James. Yeah, can you get up the hill? Oh no, James needs a little bit of help. Getting up that hill. Oh, there he goes. Come on, James, you can do it. And Thomas is chugging along at a fast speed. But wait, he got spotted. Pull over, Thomas. Pull over. James and Percy are coming, but Daddy has a secret police car ready and willing to get them. Slow down, Percy. Slow down. You too, James. Slow down. Now Percy's heading under the couch. Over the hills. Whoa, Percy. Nice control there. Man, you're doing good, Percy. Harvey Crane, get out of the way! Oh, now Percy's broken. Here comes James. Oh, James stuck. Quick, there's a dinosaur. Roar! Roar! Meanwhile, Thomas was chugging along, being a very, very useful engine. Except he lost one of his cars. Annie! Thomas, back up. We must save Annie. Ah! Clarabelle! Thomas, they all fell. Well, we're gonna keep on playing here. Harvey, that's a butt crack. Harvey, say goodbye. Say goodbye, Mommy. Goodbye and Merry Christmas.